Feeling kind of numb? Let's talk about why and how you can actually reset it. Yeah, that feeling. It's super common now because our world is just so overwhelming. And look, it's not your fault. It's actually just your brain adapting to everything around us. The problem? Our world is full of stuff that's way more intense than our brains ever evolved to handle. They're called supernormal stimuli. Basically, fake rewards that are way more powerful than the real thing. Like, get this, a bird will literally choose a big, colorful fake egg over its own. And for us, a simple chat just can't compete with a perfectly engineered social media feed. So your brain, trying to protect itself, just turns down the volume on pleasure. You can see it right here. Digital stuff floods our brains with dopamine way too often. And this chart really shows the insane difference in dopamine spikes. It's just not sustainable. The result is you end up kind of chemically numb. Everyday stuff just feels bland. So can we turn that volume knob back up? Well, the good news is, yeah, we can. Okay, check out this experiment on zebrafish. After drug exposure, their behavior was totally off. But get this, just 24 hours later, they were pretty much back to normal. This suggests our dopamine system can start recovering in just one day. It's incredible. All right, so how do we do it? Here's the 5-step framework to get started. Step 1 is the cut. For 24 hours, you cut out all digital devices and junk food. Step 2, lower your baseline. Think walks, meditation, or just silence. Let your brain chill. Steps 3 and 4 build resilience. Try a cold shower and get your thoughts out on paper. And finally, integration. Bring tech back in, but with strict rules, like phone-free meals. Look, the goal isn't to ditch technology forever. It's about taking back control. You're letting your brain grow back the receptors needed to enjoy life's simple pleasures again. So after you hit reset, what flavor are you gonna rediscover?